Most investors still think Meta is just Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and ads. That view is outdated. Meta is trying to build one of the most important AI ecosystems in the market, not just another chatbot, but an AI operating layer across social media, messaging, advertising, smart glasses, open source models, and autonomous agents. And if you own Meta stock, this is one of the most important stories to understand right now, because Meta is not simply trying to compete with ChatGPT, it is trying to put AI inside the apps billions of people already use every day: Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger, Ray-Ban Meta glasses, and potentially, through Manus-style agents, the future of AI-powered work. In this video, we are breaking down Meta's AI stack in plain English: Meta AI, Llama, Manus, how Meta compares to other AI leaders, and what this means for investors. Let's get into it. Meta's AI strategy has three major layers. The first layer is Meta AI, the second layer is Llama, the third layer is Manus. Meta AI is the main tool that customers see and interact with. Llama is the engine under the hood, that is the model infrastructure powering the experience. And Manus is the back office automation layer, that is where the actual work gets done. The mistake investors make is looking at Meta AI as just another chatbot. That misses the point. The real value is distribution. Meta does not need to convince people to download a brand new app from scratch. It already owns some of the most used apps on Earth. If Meta can embed AI directly into Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Messenger, and smart glasses, it has a massive built-in advantage. In AI, the best model does not automatically win. Distribution matters, daily usage matters, workflow matters, and Meta has distribution at a scale almost nobody else can match. Now let's start with Meta AI. Meta AI is Meta's consumer-facing assistant. It can answer questions, generate ideas, search for information, help users create content, and work directly inside Meta's apps. Most people think the future of AI is typing into a box. Meta is betting that AI becomes more ambient, more visual, and more embedded into everyday behavior. Now let's move to Llama. Llama is Meta's large language model family. This is the technology foundation behind much of Meta's AI work. And Meta has taken a different strategy from companies like OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google. OpenAI keeps its best models closed. Anthropic keeps Claude closed. Google keeps Gemini mostly inside Google's ecosystem. Meta has leaned heavily into open weight models. That means developers, researchers, startups, and companies can use and customize Llama models more freely than many closed alternatives. This gives Meta a different kind of advantage. It may not monetize Llama directly the way OpenAI monetizes ChatGPT or API usage, but it can build ecosystem power, attract developers, reduce dependency on outside AI providers, improve Meta's internal tools, and lower the cost of AI across its own platforms. That last point matters. When you serve billions of users, even a small cost per AI interaction becomes massive. The question is, can Llama help Meta make AI cheap enough and scalable enough to use across its entire ecosystem? If the answer is yes, Llama becomes a strategic asset. Now the third layer is Manus. Manus represents the shift from AI that talks to AI that acts. A chatbot answers a question. An AI agent completes a task. Manus will research a topic, find sources, build a report, create a website, generate slides, organize the workflow, and deliver something usable. That is why Manus is so interesting. It moves AI closer to actual labor leverage. For a solo creator, entrepreneur, investor, or operator, that is a big deal. Instead of hiring a research assistant, web designer, analyst, and project coordinator, you can start giving more of that work to Manus. Now, investors need to be careful. There has been recent announcement around the Meta and Manus deal, and that China is making them unwind it, so Manus should not be treated as a fully settled, risk-free Meta asset. But strategically, the direction is clear. Meta wants AI agents that help people and businesses actually get work done, and that is where the next phase of AI is headed. The first phase was search, the second phase was chat, the third phase is agents. Inside Meta's ecosystem, that could become powerful. For advertisers, AI agents could generate ad creative, write copy, test campaigns, analyze performance, and suggest budget changes. For small businesses, they could answer customer questions, create content calendars, and automate follow-ups. For creators, they could turn one idea into a script, a carousel, a short-form video, a newsletter, and a blog post. That is the bigger opportunity. Now let's compare Meta to the major AI competitors. ChatGPT is still the strongest all-around professional AI tool for many users. Gemini has a major advantage inside the Google ecosystem. Claude is extremely strong for long documents, coding, and careful reasoning. Perplexity is excellent for fast-sourced research. Grok has an advantage inside X for real-time social commentary. But Meta's advantage is different. Meta's advantage is not that it has the best standalone chatbot today. Its advantage is that it can put AI directly inside apps people already use. That means AI does not have to become a separate destination. It becomes part of existing behavior. That is powerful. The traffic is already there. The question is whether Meta can monetize it. And that brings us to the investment case. Meta's core business is still advertising. That is the cash engine. AI matters because it can improve that cash engine in several ways. It can improve ad targeting. It can help advertisers create better ads faster. It can improve content recommendations and engagement. It can help small businesses automate communication and customer service. It can make Meta's hardware ecosystem more useful. And eventually, AI agents could become a direct business product. This is why Meta's AI spending is not just a research expense. It is a capital allocation decision. The company is spending heavily because it believes AI will shape the next version of the internet. But heavy spending creates real risk. The first risk is capital expenditure. Meta is spending enormous amounts of money on AI infrastructure, data centers, chips, energy, talent, and research. If the return does not show up in revenue growth, margin expansion, or stronger engagement, investors may question the strategy. The second risk is regulation. Meta already faces scrutiny around privacy, data usage, competition, and global markets. AI agents, personalization, smart glasses, and potential international acquisitions only increase that complexity. The third risk is competition. OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, Microsoft, xAI, Perplexity, Amazon, and Apple are all fighting for position. This is not a one-company race. The fourth risk is trust. If people do not trust Meta with personal AI, private messages, visual data, and real-world context, adoption could be slower than expected. Now let's look at the reward. Meta may have one of the best AI distribution setups in the world. If AI strengthens ads, boosts engagement, improves business messaging, supports creators, and makes smart glasses useful, the upside can flow through a company that already generates massive cash. Meta does not need to invent a business model from scratch. It already has one. The AI layer just has to make that business model more valuable. That is the big difference between Meta and many smaller AI companies. Some AI startups still need to prove they can monetize. Meta already monetizes attention at scale. Now it is trying to make that attention smarter, more useful, and more profitable. For investors, I would watch 3 key metrics. Number 1, ad revenue growth. If AI is working, advertisers should see better performance and keep spending. Number 2, engagement. If AI improves recommendations and content creation, users should spend more time inside Meta's apps. Number 3, AI product adoption. That includes Meta AI usage, Ray-Ban Meta glasses traction, business messaging tools, and any future agentic products. Those are the scoreboards. Not hype, not press releases, actual usage, actual revenue, actual margins, and actual retention. My final takeaway is this. Meta is not just chasing ChatGPT. Meta is trying to build AI into the operating system of its entire ecosystem. The bull case is that Meta turns AI into a major advantage across advertising, social media, business tools, and hardware. The bear case is that the spending gets too large, the regulatory pressure gets worse, and the AI products do not generate enough direct return. But investors should not ignore this. Meta is one of the few companies with the users' data, cash flow, infrastructure, and ambition to make AI part of daily life. That does not make the stock risk-free, but it does make Meta one of the most important AI companies to watch, because the next wave of AI will not just be about who has the best chatbot, it will be about who owns the workflow, and Meta is making a serious move. If you want more AI-powered market intelligence like this, follow Apex Wealth AI and subscribe to the free newsletter.